I don't think notation in math matters that much. Don't get me wrong, I enjoy a bad notation rant as much as the next guy, and there are clearly a few simple changes to our conventions that could speed up learning for math students everywhere. But at the end of the day, notation, good or bad, it's just not the point of math. Even the most carefully designed symbols and syntax will fail to capture the underlying visual that constitutes understanding. So I figure it's better to just spend time focusing on that underlying essence and let the symbols just be what they are in peace. But that said, when unintuitive notation actively stalls the gears of learning, my disposition on the matter hardens up a little bit. In particular, I'm thinking of one threesome of syntax, which, when you stop and think about it, is an egregious source of friction in math education everywhere. If you take the fact that 2 multiplied by itself 3 times equals 8, for example, we have 3 separate ways to explain that relationship. 2 cubed equals 8, with a superscript. The cube root of 8 is 2, with a squiggly radical symbol. And the log base 2 of 8 equals 3, which we write using the word log itself. What the hell do these 3 ways of writing the same fact have to do with each other? Making up syntax for a concept is fine, but don't do it in 3 completely different ways for the same concept and force students to learn every rule about that concept 3 separate times. It's like it's a different language. This way of writing things isn't just counterintuitive, it's counter-mathematical, since rather than making seemingly different facts look the same, which is what math should do, it takes 3 facts which should obviously be the same and makes them look artificially different. Just think about how confusing logarithms were the first time that you learned about them. This is, of course, a known issue, and the internet has no shortage of people raising the same concern with suggestions for a better notation. But recently, I stumbled across a Math Exchange post with a suggestion so lovely, so symmetrical, so utterly reasonable that I just have to share it. For a relationship like 2 cubed equals 8, take a triangle and write 2 in the lower left, 3 on the top, and 8 on the lower right. To express the operation 2 cubed, remove that bottom right corner. The symbol as a whole represents the value that should go in the missing corner. To express log base 2 of 8, which is asking the question 2 to the what equals 8, remove the top number. The symbol as a whole represents the value that should go in the missing corner.